Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable reviews email notifications on your hotel's Banco map. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go down, click here on account down here. When just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on communications, just click on it here. We just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. You click here on hotels, just click on it here. Come to this list, you come here to reviews, you click on it here. Then you click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean reviews email disabled with us now. Click here on update, then it's going to update with us here. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.